Kami na naman ang inyong makikita. Kami na naman ay nasa sasakyan. So where are you going, Papa? Are you just where are you going? Cut your hair. So magpapagupitan namin si Jess tsaka si Mr. Guys. Papagupit din siya. Ayan. So magwawala na naman ang batang ere for sure. No, don't cry anak ha. Okay, say okay mama. Don't cry, okay? Say na, answer mama. Don't cry, okay? Say okay. Don't cry ko na.
Why?
Don't cry. No,
He's saying why?
no crying, okay? It won't hurt you also. It's like this only, oh. Bzz, 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 like that. But it won't hurt just, okay? Say okay. So that they can cut your hair good. Di ka eh. Si Mr. Guys, ayan.
So many photos.
Magpapagupit lang naka-formal. Parang pupunta ng party.
Shut up. Shut up.
Where are you going to? Are you going to party?
Shut up.
Tingnan nyo guys, yung forma niya, magpapagupit lang yan na. So, doon kami sa ano guys. Doon kami sa mamahaling salon magpapagupit. So, let's see. Kasi doon may kids corner talaga siya na ano, pang bata. Ayan. So, bago pa man kami pumunta, nagsabi na kami na papagupit, may batang magpapagupit at siguradong iiyak. Ayan, para ready sila, no? No, just no. Itong si Jess, I'm sure makikita pa lang niya yung place iiyak na ito eh. So, sana makapag-vlog ako doon. No? Makapag-video ako kahit konti. No, just no? Don't know, no crying, malab, okay? Say okay, mama.
Okay.
Okay, ah. Oh, okay, ah. You said okay, ah. Oh, let's see. Don't move. Say just, say yourself there, No cry, no crying. Guys, so ayan, tapos na si Mr. lang nakapagpagupit at itong si Jess nagwawala na naman. So hindi na naman siya nakapagpagupit guys. Tingnan niyo yung buhok niya, mahaba na. Sabi ko kay Mr. sa Pilipinas na lang nakapagupit. Ayan, si Mr. lang ang nakapagpagupit. So si Papa is okay, not just, no? Kasi crying. Binigyan na nga rin siya ng chocolate ng mga staff doon.
We were supposed to make him.
Ano to, titas din?
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss?
Mama.
Yan si Mr. na Pogi. Bye guys!